Hello and welcome to my website. So the purpose of my site is to help bring dinosaurs back to life. It's kind of similar to a Jurassic Parks vibe or idea that we want to further science in our knowledge of biology and genetics by bringing dinosaurs back to life. So this is my website. I just wanted to open with a big image of dinosaurs front and center, and then a nice tagline to help people know what they're here for. And I thought it was fun that the dinosaurs were clear against the background and that they overlapped on the title. And then it goes down into a welcome and what the whole website's about. Then it goes to research and kind of what we're researching, why we're researching, all that, and then just pictures to show. And then we go to our current progress that shows where we're at with the whole process of bringing dinosaurs back to life. And then I have a picture of dinosaurs to kind of show that theoretically we would be at eggs or baby dinosaurs. And then down here is kind of the main reason we want people to help and contribute to the site, and that's attending fundraisers. That way they can learn more about the Dinosaur Renewal project, but then they can also pay money to attend the fundraiser and then also donate while they're at the fundraiser. And then my thinking was if it was a fun event, then people would be more likely to go. And then we have a calendar button that would lead to a calendar. And then right under that is my call to action. And so it's just asking people if you want to step into the future or kind of see what the next step takes us, then donate to the Dinosaur Renewal or attend a fundraiser, and then you can learn more. And then just down here I have my footer. And then I have the buttons up here, which just lead to different sections on the site. So pretty fun. And then here's my mobile version. So just kind of the same idea, just everything is more stacked on top of each other. And I try to keep it pretty spaced out so you would know what pictures went with what, and each section was pretty clear. So I would say the thing that I learned the most from this project was working with Divi. So I actually have had experience with HTML and CSS in the past with different classes. And so this was a nice reminder and renewal of all of that knowledge. But this was my very first time working with WordPress and Divi specifically. And so that was kind of interesting, figuring out how you could use Divi to build a website and organize things instead of just using the grid. So that was pretty cool. Definitely the hardest part of this website was the colors extending off to the side. I had a really hard time figuring out how to make that work. And then eventually I just was able to get a blank code block, and then put a color background on that, and then moving it around. And so this was definitely the hardest part, was figuring out having the colors be half on, half off, extending off. And then also the media query. I had a hard time with that, just figuring out how I wanted it to look on my website, and then how I wanted it to look on mobile, and just making everything look seamless and nice. But overall, I really enjoyed this project, and I'm really happy with my website and how it turned out. I think it looks really nice and really clean. My biggest goal was just to make it look professional and clean and just real. So I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I enjoyed this class. So